Morning.
God, Ken, the
You
time has arrived. How was your restless night?
Not very good.
God.
License. No, I don't want your hand.
handshake.
No.
God, this is
Get yourself ready.
crazy. Wait, are you recording?
Yeah, if you pass. I ain't recording if you feel, but
Oh my
I think
God.
you're going to pass on you.
Fucking Nora.
Did you speak to your mum?
Yeah.
What'd she say?
She was trying to reassure me. She was trying to reassure me.
Wow, dude.
I know, it's so bad, isn't it?
It's not bad. You just look like
I look like
Jew.
an axe murderer.
Yes.
I literally look like a psycho. The guy's gonna get there and be like,
Can you give me your location? Because my sat nav's not working,
yeah. Oh my God, are you gonna track me?
yeah? I just want to see where you're going. Just do it for like an hour so you can do it for that long, can you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The situation has become more dire.
Well, you're good enough to pass your lady, I'll say that.
Thanks, Ken.
I believe in your skills.
You're not going clucking bells, yeah?
Not yet.
Not yet.
We're going to do a few roundabouts, yeah?
Yeah, okay. Let's hope I don't drive into anyone. It'll always be good.
Hmm?
Let's hope I don't just drive into anyone at these roundabouts. Good Lord.
You got a minor fault here on you. Get your foot down.
Huh?
Get your foot down. Why are you slowing down on the semaphore?
Because it's a dual carriageway.
What?
Oh my God, oh my God.
What are you doing?
I don't know, but I'm already scared. Oh,
Well, you just
Ken,
there was no need to
I
slow
fucked
down. Get your foot out. You got a minor fault there on your mock test, which is driving really slow. It was just a straight road. Now Durham City Centre. Durham City Centre.
Okay. Oh.
You should just kept your gas on there. Did you agree?
Yeah, I don't know why I took it off. Oh, this is the one that I can approach in third.
No, second.
Right.
Because you're doing lots of steering. So the big roundabouts where you're going straight over. You got that?
Yeah.
So the small roundabouts second. Jesus.
Ew, you started to hear the clucking bells.
So
yeah.
all roundabouts today it's normally second gear, yeah?
Yeah. What are you going to do?
What?
What are you going to do whilst
Play chess. Oh, I'm gonna stalk you on you, dude. I'm gonna stalk you on you.
my journey?
Oh, dude. That looks like a good blonde goth, doesn't it? You know, with black hair. She used to be a goth, didn't
I did not used to be a goth.
She wore them big leather black Macs in there. Driving the one on the left. Black Doc Martin, she had jet black hair driving, dude. If you're going to do one on the left, keep to the right. Do you remember?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Keep
Again.
to the right.
Yeah.
You need Otto's brain this morning,
I
yeah?
know.
Yeah?
Let's hope my genetics come into play. Oh, they clearly haven't. I've missed that one.
No, you're getting it in. No, you should be looking forward. Just
I
look
always do
forward.
that.
Don't look in the door mirrors. Don't go into next door's beer. Yeah, right up on you. Is it? It's in, isn't it?
It's in badly. It's in.
No, fix it. Just fix it. Go on. Oh, this is where you went right, by the way, on your mock test. Well done. Nice technique.
At least I'm learning from not driving into other cars.
Yeah, you went there on your test. Yeah?
Oh yeah, I remember.
Why did you turn right for on the mock test? How did you do that? Jesus Christ.
My test does not bring out the best side of me. Wait, am I beginning my test like now-ish?
You what?
Are we going to the test centre?
Yeah.
Fuck my fucking life. Ken! Ken! Fuck. I'm gonna have to do down my fucking windows and throw up. And then do the back wipers to like move away my sick.
Take the next main road to the left.
Oh my God, I feel sick. Fuck. Fucking bullshit. I stop at every junction I come out of the test centre.
Yeah, the first 3. And that one there, make sure you get to the white lights. Just stop on the rise and brake. Right, left, right, yeah.
What, right now? No. Oh my fuck.
Now if you take the next road to the right.
Fucking Nora. Do I get to chat to them a bit beforehand?
Who?
The driving.
Right, take you for a cup of tea and have an early morning scone. Yeah. Just hang out in the bar. What do you want to chat you for?
I don't know, just to chat.
He only wants to
like,
see you driving.
Hey, how you doing? So, I reckon I'm wearing a helmet before you get in my car. We have one in the back.
See that?
And here's a bag. Or I can undo down your window, which I love to do.
Now we're taking the 3rd road to the right. That's the first one.
Fucking hell me.
That's the second one.
I don't want to go in.
There is in that
I
car's
just
close
simply don't want to go in.
Yeah. You've really got to be switched on. Have you got that?
Yeah.
That's the middle. Have you got that? Yeah. Right, are you?
Oh my god.
Look all around like an owl. You've got Malcolm and you've got Claire.
What's she like?
They're both alright. Malcolm's a bit quiet, but we'll chat to you if you. Don't forget to straighten up also, but it doesn't make any difference to you how it's fixed. Good speed, excellent.
What's the earliest test you can have?
You what? 8 o'clock.
Really?
Just keep looking all around, that's it. It's nicely done, young lady, nicely done. That'll do. Turn your car off. Now, have you any questions before we go in?
Do you believe in God, Ken?
Hmm?
Do you believe in God?
Right. Predictions, pass or fail.
I don't want to say it.
Go on, just say it's just a prediction.
False.
How many falls?
I think I might get one major.
No,
But I feel like I don't want to. I don't want to say this because I don't want it to happen.
How many faults?
4.
4 minors. I'll go for 3. Yeah. Now, when you get in the car with the examiner, look, put your key in the cup holder.
Mhm.
You got it?
Why?
Yeah. And your license, put them in there because you end up losing them. Yeah. You don't want to open the bonnet or anything, do you?
There's the cap saying.
When she gets in the car, she's got to give the examiner this, haven't you?
She's got to have it.
Yeah.
To be fair, like, airbags ain't working in this car. If we crash, it's going to be monumental.
Every lesson I've had with this young lady, I've had to wear this hat, haven't I?
Yeah.
She's dangerous, but she's going to come good the day of the street test. No,
That's clear.
No, upstairs.
They literally, I feel like Anne Boleyn going to the chopping block.
Hmm? That's Malcolm, that. You feel like who? I'm going to the chopping block.
I literally feel.
Where would you find the recommended tyre pressure if you can't? How would you check them?
On the pressure gauge, actually.
She can't even answer the questions. Oh, let's go and meet the examiner.
Oh, so watch me now. She's gonna watch me do the worst drive.
Well,
of my life.
we're back off test. Tell them what you've done, you lady.
I passed with 2 minors. Bear in mind, if you watch the video before this, you would think like, Jesus Christ, she's lost it. Like, she's never driving again. Fuck yeah.
She's as cool as a cucumber, this one.
Shut up, mate. I've got my driving license. Fuck off.
We're going left. You know how to get them. Well done. That's a good drive. 2 mindful young lady, yeah?
She took me on like all the ones that had like the weird lanes.
Yeah, she's put you on a hard route. That's a hard route, young lady.
And I fucking did it, baby. Even had time to talk about her son and how we're gonna set me up with him. Like,
what's her son do?
I probably should have gone. He's got a house. I was talking about how like how when I see my parents it's brilliant because I can just get them to do my laundry and shit. And she was like, oh yeah, I want my son to stay at home. I was like, oh, how old is he? She goes 22. I was like, wait, set me up. She was like, he's such a handsome boy. I was like, say less. And then she was like, he's got a girlfriend. I was like, well, fucking tell me that first. Like, why would you get my hopes up? And then she was like, yeah, I was like, how many people are you driving today? She was like, 7, 8. And I was like, 78? Yeah, she meant 7 or 8, and I heard 78. And I was like, bloody Nora, there's not even that many hours in a day. She was like, no, you idiot. Why are you in a car right now? God.
Oh, this is an amazing job we need to pass. Well,
I know. My friends, they literally would like, I think some of them thought I was like gonna become like get alopecia or like get scurvy. I was sat in the library yesterday looking at the questions. Oh, I got all the questions right.
Did you?
Yeah. Tire pressure and tread depth.
Yeah. What did you get on the move?
What do you mean on the move?
What question?
Oh, do down your window. I did down my window.
Did you do the emergency stop?
No, thank fuck. We would have just skidded forever. We're doing right.
Yeah.
I cannot believe I passed.
Don't put it in the face, eh?
Yeah, shut up, I passed. You cannot give me any shit.
Oh, what a start. 2 faults. That's amazing.
2 minors.
Yeah.
2 fucking minors. There I was. The most optimistic I was 1 major.
How many did I
minors.
see? No
3.
more than 3. Yeah.
Room for error. Oh my god, my housemates are gonna be so surprised. Ken, this has made my month, probably my year.
Yeah, well done. Well done. I want a
Thank
review
fuck.
if you're on Google, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Just tell everybody you passed first time with 2 driver holes.
And then I'll find the person who got more reviews than you and take your money.
Yeah. Right, get going.
Ken, what the
Well
hell?
done.
When am I going to see you next? This is so sad.
Never. I know.
Ken,
but it's still
this
really
is so
good.
sad. Oh.
Go on.
I'm going to look back on these videos like a dead wife looking back on her husband.
Now you drive
This
safely.
is-
Have you
wait,
got
what
everything?
This is so
You
sad.
got your license?
Wait, yeah. Thank
Well
you for
done.
driving me.
It's been a pleasure.
It's
Yeah.
a testament to your skills.
Your hands are freezing.
Yeah, well,
Yeah?
I lost all blood movement while I was holding it.
Don't forget the Google review. Have you got
I
that?
will.
First time 2
Oh.
minors.
Thank you.
Well done. Amazing.
Bye.
Bye. God, she's crazy, her. I'll miss her. She's amazing. The